Hello everybody, welcome to Coilman Outdoors. Today we're going to be testing out the Biolite CampStove 2 bundle. We have the Biolite CampStove 2. We have the Biolite portable grill, the Biolite kettle pot, which comes with the bowl. We have the Biolite coffee press and the Biolite Flex Light. So to put the CampStove together, it's real easy. You put the fan and charger in, and then flip the legs out, and you're good to go, ready to start a fire. So on the Biolite CampStove 2, you have a USB port to charge your phone and devices. You've got your battery level indicator, fan level indicator, and your heat level indicator. When you have the heat level indicator on, the more LEDs that are on, the faster it's charging. Alright, so let's get this thing started. Use these Zippo tinder bundles. They work pretty good. So, to help you get the fire started, push the power button twice and it'll put the fan on low start mode, and that helps get the fire going. So with the stove, you could run it off of regular wood you find out in the field, or Biolite makes little pellets that you could use in the stove. But what you want to do is burn a good hardwood so it stays nice and hot, and you don't have to fill it as much. And we could turn this up a little. So it only took a few minutes and water's boiling. So now if you wanted to use the coffee press, you'd boil some of the coffee beans in there for a little while, and then just push this all the way down, and then pull it off. So let's take a look at the camp grill. This thing's pretty nice because you could open up the flap and drop more wood in if you need to. And that causes the flap down, move all the heat to the side so you could cook on it. That's pretty nice actually. And it looks like it'd work pretty good. So once you have it all boiled and cook the coffee grounds for a little while. Pull that out. Put the little kettle cap back on. And just pour yourself a cup of coffee. Just like that. So, this thing is really nice. I definitely give it 3 thumbs up if I could. And if you're cooking at night, open up the USB slot, plug your light in, and you have light. This is really a great package. I definitely recommend it. It's a bit on the pricier side. I think is like 200 bucks, but definitely a nice stove. And I think I will use this when I go camping or maybe backpacking. It's a little on the heavier side if you go backpacking. But if you spread the kit out between 2 people, I guess it could be tolerable. So, I hope you like this video. I'll catch you on the next one.